Hello and good evening. I just thought I'd give you a quick video update for the wonderful A-level resource, which is Shadows. It's an A2 question pack. I'm sitting at home with my dog and my house rabbit, Basil, and I thought it would be a good idea to start the video as soon as possible and get this talking over and done with. I would replace my wonderful music with my voice instead, because that's what students have asked for, so I thought it was a good idea. So, what is this question about? The Shadows question about? Well, hopefully, you've been listening to my voice talking. You've been looking at the pictures that are going by on the video as well. If you haven't, you're either blind or there's some other sort of issue that you need to get sorted out, really. Anyway, back to the question. Shadows is a pretty good one, as long as you feel capable of getting a good starting point. And developing your ideas, well, that's also essential as well. But whatever you do, make sure you can actually paint, or you're not just pretending. That's not a good idea. But anyway, back to this. Shadows, exam question. Please make sure you check this out, and also the rest of my exam packs. There's not that many to choose from. There's only 8 altogether. You gotta pick one, and then formalize a unit around it. That's what I do, and that's certainly what Basil would do, and my dog Prince. But they can't take A-levels like you can. So, good luck, and let's just hope that you do the best you can. Toodles.